HMAR CHANCHINTHAR ngai thatu hai in reng in chibai Thlado ni som paku sang ni som ni HMAR CHANCHINTHAR team tu Olivia F Tusing Amasan Chanchin tlang pui Manipur Assembly in Manipur Lok Sabha member Thlangding Pherzol District Sunga Government High School High Poll Som Result Mipalium na District Level Price Monitoring Committee Manipur COVID-19 Common Control Room Anthoka Thusuk Tu hin chanchin kim changlemin ngai thlangai ti Manipura Legislative Assembly Secretary PM Ramani Devi in Thusuka Simdanin Voisun Thlado ni som paku sang ni som ni hin Manipur Legislative Assembly member hain Manipur Iowa Rajya Sabha member ding thlanganti hi kumhni dana biennial election in thlangna hi Manipur Legislative Assembly Committee Roma Jingdar kuwa in thok chahnungdar nga in kara in thlangding ni in thusuk chun azik BJP poll chun Manipur rengpa titular king Pulay Samba Sanazauba hi anpol Iowa anin ngirtirle thlangtling sa an ngayana amiruk chu nilai nizana Manipur politics in lumlet dan danglam thut lein Congress poll high candidate Puti Mangi Babu hi thlangtlingin a ellem tading ni in an lang Poison Rajya Sabha in tlangahin Congress candidate Puti Mangi Babu hi thlangtlinga ni chun shilngai lawin Manipur Assembly a Congress shrat anga ngai thei ni tangati Pherzol District Zonal Education Officer Pulal Minglinin Thuan Sudanin Pherzol District Sunga Government High School High Result chu hingang hi ani Tolkhopau Government High School exam zat pathum second division na pass pakhat Siba Purikhal Ankhasu Government High School exam zat pahni pass umlo Songtal Government High School exam zat som pakhat first division na pass pakhat second division na pass pahni pass zat pathum Parbong Government High School exam zat som parit second division na pass pathum Parvachom Government High School exam zat pahni second division na pass pakhat Pherzol Government High School exam zat somthum panga first division na pass pahni second division na pass paku pass zat som pakhat Senvan Government High School exam zat panga second division na pass pahni Buangmun Government High School exam zat pakhat pass umlo Bukpi Government High School exam zat somni pakhat first division na pass pakhat second division na pass pahni pass po zat pathum DR Memorial Government High School exam zat paruk pass umlo Mr. Pawan Yadav Deputy Commissioner Churichanpur chun Thlado ni som pahni sangni som nia Commissioner CAF and PD Government of Manipur Thusuk Dungzuin mipalium na District Level Price Monitoring Committee Churichanpur Indinani thu Thlado ni som pasari sangni som ni khan ordaran su Chudung Zui chun Mr. SH Jogen Singh District Supply Officer CAF and PD Churichanpur chu hi committee a chairman ningata Mr. Khaikholet Lungdim SDC Officer Churichanpur Mr. Washington Inspector CAF and PD le Mr. Muhammad Abdul Salam Inspector OCPS Churichanpur High chu member ninganti District Monitoring Committee hin Nikarthlakin District Sunga Wholesale le Retail Outlets High Inspection thohlakanta State Price Fixation Committee in Nitin Mamo Manding Bituk Ansim anga Dorhan Anthilan zor le zor no en kayanta item dang high khom MRP chunga zor ani le ni no high en kayanti Committee chun State Level Price Monitoring Committee a report penganta simthat ding chun simthat ningati Dr. Khoirom Sasi Kumar Mangang Additional Director and Spokesperson Health Department Manipur in Tarik ni som parit Zani Zanting Dar Saria Thusu Kasimachun Darkar som ni palilim ta sungkhan VRDL Janim Sain Thokin COVID-19 positive Thar mi som ngale pali pasal som ni le numei som thum pali musu kan nia hi hai hi Churichanpur district a pasari Pherzol district ka somni paruk le Senapati district ka somni pakhat anni anreng hin state danga inthoka hungkir vonganni tu chena Manipura COVID-19 invoi mu suk tapo zaruk le paruk anvoi mek active case zali le pasari damfel tapo mi zale somku paku recovery rate to 32.83% ani ti in nashel tuhin Manipur puting chanchin then khat Krishna Bora B.Ed College Lanka Hozai District Assama Assistant Professors in English, Bengali, Hindi, Economics, Political, Philosophy le Geography haya aruk innikna nei hai chun Thlado ni som ni pali sang ni som ni mangein biodata marksheet thalak testimonial le document atul ding om hai chu Principal Krishna Bora B.Ed College Lanka Hozai Asamakoma email ID kbbedcollege@gmail.com thonding ani application peding hai hin UGC noya NET SLET anole SET certificate nei angai China le buina le inzomin India chun indo vungna thachi somthum pathum inchoding in alo suk felta hing hai lai hin sompahni chu sukhoi annia somni pakhat chu MIG 29 ding ani Ministry of Defense chun Vaibel si sanga chu estimated project ani ding thu India Today ashil Union Health Minister Hars Vardhan chun avoi khatna dingin mobile lab laboratory sonthei annole in lon thei chu Thlado ni som parit khan mangthei dingin alo hongta hi lab hi I lab amani infectious disease diagnostic lab ti ani hi lab manghin nikhata RT-PCR som nga le ELISA zani test hayani Vardhan chun khol pani mangin dakari sungin test zani tho thayani ding thu ashil hi lab hi Department of Biotechnology DBT Ministry of Science and Technology nuya mile Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone AMTZ high sim ani hi lab manghin test mundang dang thovat vat thei dingin afe thei ta dingani Ole khang hai pau kha tu ta tuma ma tonga Chanchinthar ei pung le engai thlak thei hai chu ani ngai thla tu hai hun mangin hoi seng ro